Hello, my name is Ikeno Okafor, and today I'll be walking you through a simple FPGA tutorial using Vivado. So in this tutorial I'll be going over how to create a Vivado project and go through the design flow steps of implementation and synthesizing your design, and then finally downloading your design to the FPGA. Before doing this tutorial, please make sure you've downloaded all the correct source files from the course website. To begin, go ahead and open up Vivado on whatever computer you're using. Next, you're going to go here to Create New Project. I'm going to create my Vivado project. And then I'm going to hit Next to this window that pops up. Then here you can specify your project name and where you want it to be saved to. I'm going to leave the defaults here for now. You can change this if you want to. So I'm going to hit Next. I'm going to make an RTO project. So I'm going to hit Next after that. Now I'm going to add some Verilog source files that I will need for the project. So I'm going to hit on this green arrow here, click Add Files. Then you want to navigate to where you save the Verilog source files. Then I'm going to add them to my projects. And click OK. And hit Next. I'm not going to add any existing IP, so I'll hit Next. I'm not adding any constraints files right now, so I'm going to hit Next again. Now here you'll be selecting the board that you'll be using for the project. So I'm going to go over here and hit Boards, scroll down and hit Sideboard Sync Evaluation Development Kits. When doing this tutorial, if you don't see this ZBoard Sync Evaluation Development Kit and display name, what you can do is you can type in this part number right here into the search bar and then select the board that then appears. And then after that I'm going to hit Next and finally Finish to create my project. Okay, let's take a little closer look at the source files that we'll be downloading to our FPGA. So first we have the clock divider. So as you may have learned in previous courses, what a clock divider does is it takes an input clock at some frequency and divides that frequency by some number. So in this case, we're going to be inputting a 100 megahertz clock into this module, and this module will divide that by 100 million, so we're going to have a 1 hertz clock. So this way the period will also be 1 second, so we can actually see the output on the FPGA changing. The next module is a counter module. So this counter module, the clock that's going to be inputted into this counter module will be the divided clock, the 1 hertz clock. And what this module is doing is basically just counting up from 0 to 55. And then lastly, we have the top level module. And this module just instantiates the clock divider and the counter and then connects them accordingly. So now we're going to go ahead and implement and synthesize our design. So you're going to go ahead and click on this green icon over here to hit Run Implementation. And I'll hit OK to this. And now this will start synthesizing and implementing your design. This step might take a little while, so it might take probably like 5 minutes or 10 minutes depending on the computer you're using.